So what about $12? Is it a buy zone or a red flag? Meaning, could Ford stock go lower because there's sellers at $12? Or could Ford stock go higher because there's buyers at $12? Which one do you think tips the scale? Something we need to figure out, because as you can see in front of you on your screen, I have predicted that price in Ford was weak, and thus far it has done that. But there's been days to where the market has recovered, came back up in price, but to only come back down. So we're going to try to figure out, okay, what's going on in market and Ford. Let's see. This price prediction in Ford has been on the chart since August the 15th, 2023. Here it is, October the 9th. It's time for an update. Let's look at the market in Ford real quick on the 2-day chart. I think you guys can see off of this time frame where the buyers are coming in the market in Ford. They're not letting the price in Ford fall below $11.70. Right now they're not. Okay. Now we got to consider all of this weakness and selling that has occurred. These sellers are obviously still here in the market because price is still ever so slightly going down. What about on the 3-day chart? I think you guys can even see here that buyers are hitting the market in Ford. This is where they're at. Will they continually buy? That's the issue. That's something that we don't know, because if they leave, then guess what's going to happen to Ford's price? It's going to dip below $11.90 or $12. I'm sorry, $11.70. It's going to dip below $11.70 and come down a little bit lower towards $11, an area that we have already established that the price is trying to hit. Is the market in Ford buy now or wait? It may come down to $11.50. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay. I will tell you right now that the market in Ford is able to conduct business right now, meaning that if you want to buy Ford at a certain price, you can get it. You probably can get as much as you want at these prices because the market is not in a hurry to move up or down right now. This is where you can tell that the market couldn't get the prices that they want, right? So whoever was trying to sell Ford during these weekly price bars, they couldn't sell it all at one price. So the market continues to go down until they're able to offload their position. Now, on these weekly bars, you can still see that there's sellers in the market. That's why price is still decreasing and going down. Buyers come in at $11.70. Here it is on the 2 weeks. I'm not bullish right now in the market for it, but I'm not drastically bearish neither. Okay. I think that price is still going to dip, go a little bit lower, based off what I'm seeing on the weekly time frame, even on the 2 week chart. But also recognize that those buyers really like Ford at $11.70. So we may not see the market go no lower than that. Just want to put you on guard for that. Okay. But generally, I haven't seen anything change in sentiment that would tell us that, yeah, those buyers are really gung-ho on buying Ford stock and they're really looking to move the market up. To me, it looks like those sellers currently still control price. And until they relinquish that, or until the buyers come and grab control of the price action, we already know what to look forward to. Until we see a change, this is what we're going to be on the lookout for. Okay. So now, I'm actually finished. We're going to anticipate that price in Ford is going to continue to go lower. I'm keeping my eyes open on 1170, 1150, because again, the longer that those buyers prop in there, the less likely the market's going to come all the way down to our $11 ultimate take profit price. I'm just saying, just give you a heads up. So if it happens, you guys can say, well, you got it wrong. No, I didn't, because I told you that yes, buyers are currently hitting the market at 1170, 1150. Now, go and check my prior video, this first one that created this price prediction in Ford on August the 15th, August the 14th. Go check it out. It's still in the playlist to see where my targets are at. For now, I'm going to extend the price prediction over, and we're going to sit back and wait. Now, I know many of you may be thinking, well, what about the strike with the UAW? Why isn't that having a massive effect on Ford's price? Because that's not what people are worried about. People are worried about getting the best price, whether you're a seller or a buyer, period. Now, if they cannot come to an agreement, the union, Ford, and the other automobile manufacturers, then our idea may happen faster than what we think. We'll see though. Hit me up and tell me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.